Hi, my name is Gary Johnston, and today what I'm going to do is show you how to use data validation with Google Forms for Mastery Learning. And this here is just a little quiz we're going to have on Friday. And ordinarily with forms, you would have the students submit this. At the bottom, they'd hit submit. It'd come into a spreadsheet where you would graph it later. And then use like a grading app like Flubrew or maybe like Super Quiz. But I'm going to do it with this question too to show how you can use data validation for Mastery Learning, which means that the kids can't continue until the answer is correct. And I really like this just because it gives them an opportunity to just show that, hey, if they don't get it, they can still work on it until they do. So, for example, there's this question here about transpiration. So, a bag with moisture inside has 15.5, and the bag by itself has this much. And so, how many grams did the moisture have? Whatever students clicked before, they would click on one of these, send it in. But what I want to do is I want to just give them an opportunity to work on this until they get it. So here's this question here, and this also the new Google form is pretty sleek. And this doesn't work with all question types, but I'm going to do today with the short answer. Now the answer is 0.4. And I'm going to use data validation, which is down here in these little three dots. And if I click here, I'm going to do data validation. And this right here is some of the different features. But I want students to type in something. In this case, you can have a word as a text, or you can have a regular expression. That's what I'm going to have. And it's also going to click matches. Now the answer is 0.4. Now that I have that, what I'm going to do is that means the student will say whatever they write in, there'll be like an error until they write 0.4. So anyways, this is how it works, and I'm just going to refresh and show you how the change looks now. So here they have now question 2 with an open-ended response. And if they put like 0.5, they think, oh, this must be wrong. So instead they do 0.4, now they know it's right. So it's a nice tool you can use if you want to kind of spice up your Google Forms questions and make students really like focus on some key questions, make sure they really understand that before moving on. Hope this is helpful. Thanks a lot.